All right, and welcome back once again. We are on our Adobe XD Education App UI project. All right, so this is how far we've come. We are way a lot more than halfway through to our work. Okay, so in our previous video, we designed a home page for our app, and we worked on the prototyping to make sure that they are actually working with the other work that we have already done. So this is what we did. Now we are moving straight ahead to the list of all the courses that we have, so that when you click on view more courses, it will bring all the courses, or when you click on the courses button, it will bring all the courses to you. So for now, we're going to duplicate the home page. All right, a lot of the things are going to concentrate on the home page. So you're going to duplicate it, and let's bring it out somewhere down here. We've reached the end of the line, so you can bring it right here to grid, set it to grid, and boom, we are here. So let's see how our layout is going. So you see how they are now aligned properly. So if you are out there, if you had nothing to do with UI design, and you see this, you think, it's a lot of work, you know, you feel afraid. Now you see that how we have been able to create almost everything in this video. So if you have followed carefully, you should get this. All right, you should get this. And you see the reason why when you look at some UI, it has a lot of features, lot of artboards, and this is how we did it. Let me set out the alignment for this. Okay, so yeah, good. So we have beautiful UIs right here, and yeah, we created it through our video. So just moving on to what we are here for, and that is the list of all the courses. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to make use of this more and more. So I put all the courses right here, and pull them here, and all the courses will have descriptions either next to it or under it. Okay, either next to it or under it. So we choose to put them under it, so at least we can have a grade of 3 right here. And remember, whatever you're going to pull out there, whatever you're going to put out there for the UI, for the developers, that is exactly what they are going to do, to present in the app for you. So we have a list of all the courses that we can find on the on the platform. So we have this coming up right here. So let's work on that, and we just duplicate them to fill the other spaces. Okay, so we have this set out here, and it's a text box, so we can just pull it out like this, bring it down. We have something like this to do a lot of them. The line height is too wide for this, so I'm going to delete some. I'm going to reduce it to 15. Okay, 20, not bad. 20. I'll have this. Need to align this properly. So we have the course button right here. Okay, so we can now duplicate this for all of them. Okay, duplicate for all of them. Okay, all right. You can now, there's no time for this one. You can delete and push these ones up. No major courses. No. Put this one up like that. So we are setting out that clearly we are making progress on our works. So we can copy these ones This one will just have the view right here without any other any button around it. So we just have so this is our courses page. All right, so whenever we click on a particular course to view it, we should have a page dedicated for each of the courses that will have the details of all the courses. So let me change this one to all courses. So we're going to duplicate this one, so we have single course. So we're dedicating a page to view the details of that very course. So we're going to delete all these. I'm going to delete these, but I'm going to leave these ones. Okay, I have plans for it, so I'm going to put the course here. I'm going to bring it somewhere. I'm going to put this one right here. So this one is going to be the details of the course. All right, details of the course right here. So I'll have, what's that? The details of the course. What the course is about. Okay, what the course is about. Yes, so I'm going to bring it down. What the course is about. You're going to also bring out this one here to the curriculum of the course. Bring it clean, make it look cleaner. So we'll have details of the course right here, and we're going to have one long text right also here. All right, so we'll have apply button. Under it, under everything, we have the apply button. Also right here we have the apply button. Apply button right here. And here, as I told you, I have plans for it. You're just going to be something like related courses. There's some courses that are related to what you have. So what you have selected to, and see related courses. Related courses, and it's gonna be somewhere right here. Okay, reduce the size, put them somewhere here. Yeah, and also this is what we have for the course. So the course picture image will be here, description of the course, the curriculum, what you need, and some text, teachers, and other things that you know here. And then finally we have the apply button right here. So that is it. When you click on any of the view buttons, it should just take you up to this this point to where you're going to review the app. So yeah, and let's also try to add some meaningful text to our buttons. So I'm going to the home page. I'm going to the home page to add some important things. So this one is going to be the home page. So for the time being, let's add a text to it, which we're going to say H. Okay, for home we're going to say H, and so I'm going to bring it here, increase the size. So for time being, let's make it H. For home, we'll change them into icons. So, and this courses, we're going to have C, that is courses, and then what again, we have my learning. So my learning will be here, what you have chosen will be here, and also finally we have profile or account. So make it profile right here. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste them right here. I'm going to paste the appearance. So no, I'm not going to paste it. Okay, the same appearance that we have here. So I'm going to delete and paste them here. I'm going to delete these and then paste them right here. So we'll have everything set out like that for us, so that we can navigate. This is P. So we'll have everything like that. So what else do we have? When you click on home, it takes you to the home page. Courses here. So we have courses here. When you click on it, it takes us to here, to this side, and then we'll come back to create a profile of the user. But let's do with our prototyping. Okay, so we are on the home page. When we click on the home page, we're still on the home page, so it doesn't go anywhere. But when we go to the let's do this. When we go to the C, it should take us to what? The courses. So we are matching this to this page. Good. When we click on any of the view, it should take us here. So any of them, we're connecting all of them to this one. Any of them should take us to exactly this place. So yeah, we're going to do that. If it is this, still we'll have these ones right here. So when we click on any of them, we're still connecting them. But here, when we click on the home page, because we are not on the home page, it's going out to the home page right here. And yeah, here as well, I want to see here as well, we're going to have taking them to view. So we have this view, and this certainly also take us to the view here. Come on, did not touch. Okay, so we have courses. Courses is not going anywhere because we don't have that. So let's test and see from the home page. Okay, from the home page, we're going to test our prototyping and see how it looks. We come back for the rest of. So we are on our home page. When we click on view, it takes us to this side. When we click on courses, we don't do that. I don't think we did it. Okay, so let's work on that. So when we are on the views page, courses is rather going back here, and then the home page will go up right here, and the view is already here, so it will still be on the same page, so it's not going anywhere. All right, it's not going anywhere. So this is it. We have this, and then so let's begin from there. We have our page. This goes out, comes to courses. We go home. Yeah, we view. It's still there, so we come here, we view, and it's working out. So what we need to do is to apply the animations to it. So when we click on the view here, it's a tap, and the transition is going to be yes. So it takes us to single course. What are we going to do there? push left, push left, push left, and then we come back to this. Courses is at the back, so it's going to push to the right. Home is going to push to the right. Push to the right. We are on this side, which is home. Is going to push to the left, to the right. Sorry, because we are there here, so it's going to push to the right. But these are a lot. You're going to push to the left, push left. I wish I could do everything like that. Push left, but for you, for your sake, I'm going to push left. So there's someone watching this first time, so push left. I'm going to take my time to push all of them to the left. Okay, so that we know what we're doing. Okay. Okay, push left. Good. So we are done with them. Let's try it once again. So we are on the there is a courses page. You can go home, and it's going at the other side, the left side. So we cannot click on this because we are still on the home page. We go to courses. Yeah, courses takes us like that. It did not do that. So view comes like this. Okay, view. Okay, so courses, I think we did not work on courses, so let's go back and work on this, on this. What is that? So we have, this is courses. Okay, so it's not supposed to do anything. So we go to home page. Alright, so on the home page we have our courses link. We did not do anything to it with no animation whatsoever. So let's do the courses pushing to the left. So we have this. Good. Going to the left, right, left, right, and left. So yeah, so that's the progress so far. Alright, we'll come back to add the profile page in the next video. So kindly subscribe, like, share to people, comment your experience so far, and let us know how we can improve on this course. Alright, meet in the next video.